B exercise. Find out the synonyms and the antonyms of the following words in the thesaurus. Words, synonyms, antonyms. Fast, synonyms quick, active, antonym slow. Collect, synonym add, gather, antonym divide. Continue, synonym proceed, advance, antonym stop. Harmful, synonym dangerous, unsafe, antonym useful. Next exercise B. Tick the correct option. The main causes of pollution are D option, all of the above. Smoke containing poisonous gases is the cause of A option, air pollution. Sewage is a major source of C option, water pollution. Noise is usually defined as D option, any unwanted sound. The major source of noise pollution is C option, workshops. Next exercise C. Pollutants are the substances that pollute the environment. Match the pollutants in column A with the kind of pollution in column B. Loud music, noise pollution. Sewage board in rivers, water pollution. Smoke, air pollution. Exercise D. Give the following information. Number 1. Give 4 examples of air pollution. A. Coal. B. Gases. C. Smoke. D. Dust. Second, give any 4 water pollutants. A. Domestic waste. B. Industrial waste. C. Sewage. D. Dead remainings of plants. Number 3. List any 2 harmful effects of air pollution on human health. A. Deafness. B. Nervous disorder. Number 4. List any 2 harmful effects of water pollution on fish and other aquatic life. A. It causes their death. B. It causes their less growth. A exercise. Change the following sentences into passive voice. First one. Water or land pollution adversely affects the environment. Passive voice. The environment is affected by water or land pollution. Second. Poisonous gases affect plants and human life. Passive voice. Plants and human life are affected by poisonous gases. Third one. Noise produces several harmful effects. Passive voice. Several harmful effects are produced by noise. Fourth. Noise disturbs sleep. Passive voice. Sleep is disturbed by noise. Fifth. Direct sewage into rivers causes cholera and typhoid. Passive voice. Cholera and typhoid are caused by direct sewage into rivers.